Good morning. It is September the 26th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades had not been executed, the results may have overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, good morning. We got 1 3/4 inches worth of rain yesterday. The storms have moved out east of us. Could have used some more, but we'll take what we can get. So it was a good day. And perhaps fall will visit the southern central plains now. We have forecast highs in the high 60s, low 70s for the rest of the week, and I hope they're right. Yellen speaks today at 12:45 Eastern. Everybody is excited about what she may or may not say about future interest rate increases. 70% chance right now, according to the market and how it's being played, that interest rates will be bumped in December. We have the 3-year auction. Unfortunately, on the short, you could pretty well guarantee the market was going to trade up on a 2 or 3 year. Today, you can't make that assumption. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. The news today, Case-Shiller, home prices in the largest 20 metro areas up 0.3. New home sales, 583. That could come in lower than forecast. Consumer confidence 120.2, and Richmond Fed 13. So new home sales, consumer confidence, and the 3-year auction will be the Treasury focus. Janet Yellen's speech at 12:45 could impact the 3-year auction. So I'm looking for a trading range, just pretty quiet trading. Not a lot going on until Yellen speaks, and probably nothing going on after Yellen speaks. What's she going to say that she hasn't already said several times over? 3 to 7, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 28 to the buck. Let them get stops below 126. Buy 1. Would like to get it done at 29 or better. And then 21 to 25 for buy 2. Boy, I'm still amazed at how good a summer we had and how slow the fall has been. Everybody's just playing status quo, nothing happening. Market's not moving quickly. Interest rate increase come December, nothing in between. And amazing how quickly the North Korean ambassador's press conference and speech disappeared. Back to the NFL and what Trump has done to stir things up sports-wise. The buck to 04 is number 1. Sell 7 to 11. 15 to 19. Probably 31s is a sell coming, starting out early this morning. On the buy side, 20 to 24 is number 1. Buy 13 to 17, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Well, John McCain, Susan Collins, and others, does not look like Obamacare is going to be repealed, and it is so bad that the Democrats are already working on nationalizing health care 100%, with what is now called single payer. And that's not going to be good. The VA probably be a pretty good we'd wish it would be as good as the VA's system is after it's implemented. But the adoption of policies, welfare state policies, socialism, light, moving to heavy, it doesn't seem there's any way to stop it anymore. It's just the way it is. Nobody effectively can articulate the founding principles anymore. Okay, looking at gold, we have this breakout at 3. We've got 99, 04, 02. So 2 to 4 looks like it's pretty good support right now. So we'll make 3 to 5 buy 1. 99 to 01 buy 2. On the sell side, 8 to 10 sell 1, pretty aggressive. 13 to 15 sell 2. I see a trading range here, probably pretty good support. 113 even, 113.03. Probably pretty good resistance, 10 to 13. We'll see if it plays out. Euro's been slammed again overnight. Not any one piece of news to tie it to, but obviously they didn't like what Draghi said this week. Draghi, the European Central Bank, in Brussels all want the euro lower so they can export goodies outside of the EU. So here we are, 25.35, buy 1. 118 even, 118.10 buy 2. On the sell side, 50 to 60 sell 1. 75 to 85 sell 2. Crude got another boost buying last night. Starting about 3 weeks ago, we started to see reports of worldwide demand increasing. And looking at our F1 screen, just to remind ourselves where you can see that we've got just above 53, we've got a high volume number. Then we've got pretty good 53.75, pretty good resistance. And if we jump above that, it goes 54, 50, 54, 55 even. So we are pointed higher for reasons that probably are not obvious fundamentally, but that doesn't stop it from rallying. So everything is still pointed up on crude. Some people say the weak dollar, but the dollar was strong overnight, so that doesn't hold up consistently. 52 and a quarter, 52.50 sell 1. 52.75, 53 sell 2. On the buy side, 51.75, 52 buy 1. 51 and a quarter, 51.50 buy 2. Okay, the E-mini is probably stuck in as tight a range as you could can see, you get more action in treasuries, believe it or not. I mean, there's a buyer 24.85 to 90, and there's a seller 25.05, and it slowly moves between the two. So you can see right here, prices have been rejected below 88, and there is no rejection over the top. So here we sit. It is a B. So 99 to 01, sell 1. 4 to 6, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it 90, 93, and 85, 88. I don't think Yellen can say anything that really hammers the stock market. The focus will be more by the bond players than by the equity players, in my opinion. So I look for another quiet day until Janet picks up the mic and starts speaking. So value area highs, lows, mean green trades, leaning against pivot highs and lows. That's how we'll have to make our money today. Take a bit to get stuff up and posted. Going to get busy on it. Back with you as soon as possible.